What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular video, man. We got everything's regular on the tee, everything's regular on the shorts. Getting that first oil change in the vet today, man. It's been a while. We got like 25% left, so it's time to get this thing oiled up and lubricated, man. So stay tuned with your boy. We're about to go to the auction. Then after that, we got to go pick up another car. And then we'll see what it is, man. So stay tuned with your boy. Alrighty, guys, we have pulled up to Mannheim. We got the vet back there looking all sexy. Just pulled up to Mannheim, about to see what this joint look like, dog. Y'all know we be trying to get like the exclusive whips and like the newer whips, man. So stay tuned with your boy and let's see how this Mannheim trip go, because I never been in here before. So let's see how it work out. So we got 1 check down, 2 check down. Let's see what we got to do now. Man, we are up here at Mannheim dealer auction. Pretty nice cars. I mean, everything up here is pretty much clean title, runs and drives, and all the good stuff that you want in a ride. Yeah, they got some pretty decent cars. I ain't gonna front. Got some decent ones. Got some decent ones, man. But let's get to where we going. They said we gotta go all the way back here. Go to the far back. Okay. It's not the vet, guys. It's not the vet. As much as I would want it to be, it's not the vet. That thing is nice though. Got the Supras lined up back to back. Okay. All right, so this is gonna be the hard part. Finding the needle in the haystack. They literally said, all right, it's back there in that lot. You can go back there and find it. Yeah, okay. Sure, why not? Oh, I think I see it. This may be it. This may be it. Yes, sir. Oh, y'all see the little F-18s? Whew, them things is gone, dog. Wow. Them boys going up. Alrighty, guys, this is it. We got a 2012 Chrysler 300. Sorry about the noise in the back. You know, I can't do nothing about that. But it's a pretty nice car. It's got 150K on the dash. Does have the panoramic roof. Before we get into it, let's just walk around it really quick. It is the 300S. So that's a plus. Really nice looking whip. Let's open this door. We take a look on the inside. It does have some nice black leather interior. So that's a plus. Okay. Back looks pretty good. That seat looks really, really good as well. I'm digging it. It's got the whole little interface and everything. So I don't know if the key is in here. Let me see. Uh-oh. I think we're out of gas. I think we're out of gas. Are we? It's definitely definitely on E, man. That sucks. It's definitely on super E, but our AC is blowing pretty cold, I guess. It's a plus. Just pop the hood really quick. Now, like I said, this thing is a dealer car, so it's a clean title. Check it out. 3.6 VVT engine in that bad boy. Looks really good up under here. I don't see nothing that stands out. Actually looks really, really good, to be honest with you. And it is the S model. Has 155,000 miles on it. It's got this panoramic zone up here. Let's see how this work out, because it's hot out there. Let's see how this work out. Do this work? Okay. Okay, I see what's going on. Do it go all the way back, though, is the question. Do it go all the way back? pointing out. You would think it goes all the way back across the thing, but it doesn't. But it's still cool though, all in all. But yeah, it feels really good in here, man. We need some gas, so I don't want to keep it running forever. But yeah, what you guys think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. Other than gas, we should be good. I might have a gas tank in there. I think I just seen some Beats by Dre's. Okay, it's got the Beats by Dre speakers in that joint, so that's a plus. Okay, we got the little speakers in the back. That's cool. I'm digging it. 300S is not the, it's not the Hemi. It is the V6, but it is a pretty nice whip. It already got the tint and everything on it, man. So let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. I'm about to head back to the front. I think I got a gas canteen in my car, so we'll check that out. But let's just see. Man, they got this big old Ram 2500 with the back of the back on that joint. Turbo diesel, of course. I like this. I'm digging that. I'm digging it. Little BMW Z, no key. Don't shut window. I guess. So we came to the front so the homie can go back and check out a couple of the whips. So let's see what it look like when it come through. Oh, here it is, guys. 2012 300. Let's see. Hopping in, bad boy. Ah, man. Pick this thing out, bro. Passengers, it feel pretty comfortable. Right. Yeah, it feel like it was about to run out. We even got to the gas station, shoot. Yeah, Copart ain't giving you no gas, no nothing. They ain't giving you no gas, no nothing. That's crazy. This is gas and everything. I don't even know how this little canteen works. That's crazy. Copart would have been. Yeah, for sure. I'm using the whole thing. It ain't nothing because when I first cranked it up. Yeah, when I first cranked it up, I was like, oh yeah, I'll be surprised if it make it to the gate. It's crazy. You know, this thing is pretty cool.
Are you guys buying this for personal? Yeah, it's one of my cars. I'm gonna sell it though, but I'll tell it back to LA first. Okay.
Pretty nice little whip.
Deal? Yeah. Oh, nice. I don't ever pay nobody to pick up something.
Pretty nice little whip. Pretty nice little whip. So, got a little bit of gas dripping on the tire.
Okay. Yeah, it's made for the actual gas pumps. It's not pushing it hard enough.
It must be dropping out the thing because it's not made for that, but we'll get it to the gas station and see if we got any more leaks, which we shouldn't. But I don't know. Let's get this first little drive, man. Let's see how it go. Let's get that first little drive, dog. Let's see.
Yeah, nah. Any of the gas station close there?
Yeah, it's right before we even get on the freeway.
You wanna go with me or you want to take it?
No, I could just get out right here and just meet you if you want. I could just hop over the thing. The homie came way down here, flew out here for this Joan, man. It's pretty clean, I ain't gonna front. Pretty clean, got the blackout kit. We had a little bit of gas leakage earlier, but I think it's just because of the little gas canteen we was using. But all in all, seemed like a pretty fair ride, man. Seemed like a pretty fair ride, man. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. So alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. The homie on his way back to LA. Y'all wanna see if that thing made it, tune into his YouTube channel, link below. But as for me, I'm about to go hop back in the vet, and the truck should be ready either today or tomorrow, man. So I'm ready to head to the city and get my joint, man. I'm ready to head to the city and get my shit. That's the word I really wanted to use, but you know, it is what it is, man.